sweet potato. You can use that. No, you should try that. You're on a diet, Dad. I want to go to the table. You want that?
Sweet potato.
You want that?
Yes. Thank you.
See, I was worried about it. Oh, sorry. You should try a sausage. I'm sorry, Caleb.
Sausage.
Accident. Oh, Mom, what's that?
You ask Mom.
Mom, what's that?
What is a shrimp?
Can I have it? Thanks, I'm getting shrimp.
Kumukuha ng sauce.
Yeah, we eat.
Magawa na lang po namin kayo ng bago na ito, ng vegetable po. This one.
I feel like I want whole thing.
Yung may hipon na ba sa ibabaw, pero yung vegetable na.
Vegetable.
Daddy, I thought this was yours. Tina, come on. Here. Wait.
Let's go.
Pwede mo bumalik dito ba sa babayaran?
Guys, help!
Babayad na.
It's so hard to video with. Oh my God!
Tsaka yung
My
vegetable.
food is ready. I think I want. I want cola. I think I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna choose the Sprite. But I think I want. What did you order?
Hindi kasama na din vegetable.
Yun po, sir. May yung lang udon po. May udon po.
Mom, if I'm finished with my drink, can I get again?
Yung kakiyagi niya po may shrimp or wala?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Inang, is that yours?
May vegetable kakiyagi for night.
Kaya mo muna yung pwede
May
ka
isang 4 kg yung udon, sir. Any additional po?
I need drink.
Drinks.
Isang cola daw, isang Sprite.
Wala po na.
Ako ano to?
I want cola.
Ikaw, Daddy.
Yay! Hey, Daddy, can we get another drink when we're finished with it?
Right.
Give me You're on a diet, Dad. Say hello to the camera.
Ano na?
Come on,
Pwede na po mag-sprite, ma'am.
Sprite ito.
Meron po.
Mamaya na ako mag-soy drinks.
Careful, Caleb.
We're going to a chair. La 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 la. La 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 la. This is our table. Oh. Come on, let's try the chicken. Oh. We just need a fork and a spoon. Yes. We need a fork. I'm so lucky that my phone have a pausing like thing, right? Let's go try it. Look, I'm gonna try the. You know what sauce is that?
You can choose there.
Wait, I want to try the some. I want some sauce. What's that? I don't know. I'm tasting it. What's that? What's it? I don't know what it's called, but it tastes good. Huh? I want soy sauce. You want soy sauce? You stay here, Johnny. I'm gonna ask you for soy sauce. Can I taste the udon back?
Malaki kasi baka di mo maubos.
Yeah. Wait, Janin, can I borrow your soda?
Caleb, you try this first if you like the sauce.
Bro. Ha ha ha. I used the soda can to open my soda can. Bro. I'm more faster than you. Huh? I want to taste. I like this sauce. Bro, I said I like this sauce. What's this for? That's Ninong G. That's for your dad. Okay. Yeah, this is tasty. So what is this? That's the crab leg. I know. Let me try the chicken. It's yummy. Wait, I want to eat what I want to eat. I said you should try. I did it first. Oh yeah, this is a mukbang by the way.
Oh, we have a pending order with Davey.
Hello po. Oh yeah, we are in the Philippines by the way because we live here. What did you guys buy?
Ulang pa ba?
Vegetable, ano?
Vegetable.
Takoyaki.
Yeah, my crab stick fall down on my jacket.
Ito toyo yata to.
Is that soy sauce?
Hindi na sila magra-rice.
Magra-rice?
Pwede pa silang kumuha ulit yung sila. Pero babayad ka.
Pero yung rice na additional bayad.
Oo, dali. Wala silang rice. Yan lang yung ano nila.
Hindi mo in-order ng rice yan?
Hindi mo sila nag-order eh.
Hindi? You don't want rice?
Si Jenny, titikim niya yung akin.
Yeah. So yummy. This is my favorite, the chicken.
Akin to?
Oo, dati kimchi.
Laki.
Be careful with this one, so the kimchi. I don't like this.
You don't like it?
No, this sauce.
Meron pang soup yan.
But I like the food.
Vegetable na
I'm gonna try the shrimp. I'm gonna fry
Wow!
the
Nandun
shrimp.
pa tayo? Wala na yata.
Wala na ba?
No more.
Tignan niyo po ito po.
Yummy.
Ito po sure eh.
Tonkatsu, dalawa.
We already have one.
Tempura, sweet potato. Chicken pula.
Cheers, guys.
Kamikama tempura.
Mom, I like this sauce better.
Golden rice.
This sauce is good. It's sweet.
Tempura, takoyaki.
Cheers.
Bali, all na po tayo. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Hot?
Ooh. That one is yummy. That's my favorite.
What are you eating there, Caleb? What's that?
This is chicken, Dad. That's
Chicken?
chicken.
I
Yeah.
don't think it's chicken.
It's
That is
chicken.
chicken, daddy.
I don't think it's
What do you think? Try my
you know
shrimp?
what it is?
Chicken karagit.
You know what it is, Caleb?
No.
It's chicken feet.
Oh.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
I don't like that sauce.
Sobra
That is
ko
so
parang
sauce.
maliit lang ice cream.
I don't like their sauce.
Ang laki nito. Ang laki nga. Hindi ko naman.
Huwag ko si daddy. Take out na lang natin.
Hindi ba ito kapag take out? Yo! It says per bag. 30 pesos. Kasi nakala ko lang
Got almost my shrimp.
kimchi sa ano, pork.
Ako din.
I like this chicken.
Ano mga kaya?
It's like we're in a barbecue. If you're wondering what this jib, what does the gibberish think that it says? Return station. Train return station.
Yan na ng noodles na to. Hindi na pala dapat ako nagtagtag.
My pork. Excuse me, guys.
Hindi Hindi, alam naman ako yan.
There's
Pinapili mo
no
ang-
back support on our chair, so if we accidentally forgot, we will fall down. Oh, before I tasted the katsu with the curry rice. Mom, Dad, you're lucky you have support on your back.
What?
You have some support on your back.
But I'm not using it.
Baka dito yun, ha?
I want to try. Ah.
Serving nito pa ano eh.
Man, wait, I cannot get it. Good. The camera, Janine. Oh, here, Nina. Oh yeah, we live in the Philippines, guys. Right, Janine? It's so
Hindi, pa
good.
doon. Kuha ka nito, ha? Kita niyo. Ayun, kuha ka nito. Gusto mo?
I have my tray. You can just put it on.
Kalbem. Kuha ka.
Ah, look, it looks so tiny. Oh, oh, guys, look, it looks like a tiny chicken. Mom, look, it looks like a tiny chicken. Maybe it is a tiny chicken. Yeah.
Ang hanggang
My God.
Wak-wak ka.
Too many meat. Hindi nang
Wait lang ba eh? Ano sa yan?
yeah.
Baka na lang kay Ninang, ha?
Guys, look, it looks like a tiny chicken leg. Look. Mom, it looks like a tiny chicken leg. This is just like a bacon, but it's beef. But, Mom, it looks like a tiny chicken leg. Mom, tiny chicken leg. So
Yan,
yummy.
pumili ni Pierre ng restaurant, ano? Restaurant ka. Ha?
It's also fast food.
Ano?
Fast food pa rin.
Hey, Jenny, I feel bad for the guy alone.
There's
No,
one. Taga-container.
I think he works here. I feel bad for him. How about you? Me.
Who?
He's all alone. I'm gonna use my hand.
Ooh.
That's bad.
Wait and say hi.
Sarap. Sarap, Daddy.
Can I put it? No, put it here on the side.
What is that?
It's chewy, this one.
Put it on top of your side plate. Yeah, dyan.
Mm. Mm.
Dito sila ka ng kanto, hindi maubos. Dito ko ka lang si Jan, dito ate kami din. No? Makakapal ito ba ita?
Is this a all-you-can-eat buffet or something?
No.
Is this a all-you-can-eat
You need to pay
buffet?
everything you get.
Oh. But you can eat all. all you want.
You know what the buffet is?
Oh,
It's almost like that. All you
almost like
but
a buffet.
buffet is almost like that. But you're allowed to take as much as you can as long as you can eat it.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's very good. I don't like that. Before we also eat here. Pero nasa Manila kami. Mommy and Daddy mukbang. They eat the... Mom, eat something. Eat something. And
Oh,
we eat
he's
the...
eating.
I eat the curry. And Papa eat the...
But
Excuse me. Excuse me. It's very yummy, guys. We would recommend to eat here. Yes. If you're in the Philippines. No, everywhere in the place. It's called, I don't know what it's called. What you should eat here? I think it's called Tempura Tangkakliki. No. It's
Sila,
Marugami nga siya na dati.
Ha?
Marugami udon.
excuse me.
You should do
Masam niya ako nakamayin niya to.
like that.
Nakagam. Malaki pala ako namin na.
Hindi kumuha pa ako ng kabiga.
Ano yan?
Good we're not videoing someone else. Right?
This is,
This is brunch.
And later we're gonna go to the arcade and we're gonna video that.
this is already one. So hard to bite.
I became a monster. What? Oh yeah, this is not my sister. This is my cousin.
And we have a,
If you
a
wonder-
baby brother.
And if you're wondering where my baby brother is, he's at my grandma's house.
Yeah. Right.
I can like take this off with only my tongue.
Look at this beef.
Daddy, look. Daddy, did you know I can take this soda tab off with only my tongue? I just lick it, and then it take off. True, right, Janine?
Ready na daw. Fish cake.
What if I put the pork chop on here?
Sarap lagi.
Oh my God!
Ay, ayusin mo yung... You're not here to play.
Hindi na pinakain ni Papa yung mga
Guys, I have a TikTok.
Mahal.
They already know.
They don't know my account.
6,000 plus yata. Dami namin. Pwede na rin. Mura na. Ilan yung senior?
We are both not famous, but we are trying to get.
Tatlo.
But I'm famous in my other account, but it got banned.
And I'm famous. And I'm very famous in my other account, and then it got deleted.
Mula doon sa una.
We're the same.
But mine got deleted in 23.
Ano namin yung buhay.
Mine too.
Ang dami ka pa mabibili sa 6,000.
That's just my dump account.
Oo, okay lang. Mga first
I'm
time.
gonna use this stick.
Ang dami namin eh. Tapos ng kayo, 1,600 na.
Daddy, look.
It's so hard to poke with the fork, so I use it.
Ang dami kumakain
I
dito.
have to take this off. Oh. Sorry.
Accidents happen.
Yeah, it's an accident.
You're the dog to the accident. I don't like the
Oh, tiny chicken leg. It's so tiny. This looks
Rice
like
pa?
for my baby brother.
Yeah.
Baka pa dito ng rice.
Wait. I'm gonna use this fork.
Baka pa ng kanin sa kalan lang.
Yeah. Para get rice in the ilalim.
Ay, nahulog.
Bakit? Ang sarap din yung sausawan to oh.
Yeah. Never mind, I'm gonna use the phone.
Lalo you like fish cake.
Hey, Janet, look, I can make a sound. Oh.
Yung mga kain niya sa akin. Yung pang ganito.
Agulay.
I also ordered this before. Thank you, Nina.
Yeah.
Thank you, mother.
Thank you, Nino and Nina.
I just
Not
feel
me
the,
paying.
why do I don't feel the pepper from last time,
Thank you,
Jenny?
Nina.
Why don't I feel the pepper from last time, right, Jenny? Tip, when you're eating this pork chop, don't
Ninong
eat
has
all
no
of the
money.
skin. There's pepper inside here. Why do you have no money, Daddy? What the? Sigma?
It's only mommy paying all the time.
Yes, daddy fill up my bank.
Oh. What is fill up?
Put money.
Oh. But it's... So it's both of your guys' money?
It's not my money.
Oh. I recommend buying the cute. Very good.
My job is only to fill up account.
You know job is that.
Tinatanong ni Francis kung, ate, pupunta ka ba kala JC bukas? Sabi ko, baka hindi kasi naman pwede magsama sila.
Meron.
Nagaya. Ang sarap ng tubig, lamig-lamig bala.
Caleb, can I borrow your fork?
Sure.
I need to eat my vegetables.
I think I don't need a fork. I have a stick. We eat a lot, but we don't get fat. We worked out last night. You don't like to work out at the morning, but we wake up at the afternoon.
We already worked out in the evening naman.
We should work out again. So delish.
Are you alive?
No.
Just breathing. Hinahinga ako.
22 minutes and we still haven't finished our food.
Kasi kumakain daw. Kumakain. Tapos tinatry niya yung mga oops.
Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me.
Kain, eat more, eat more. Caleb, you be pregnant, cover your mouth.
Okay na sa bahay. Already up. Caleb, you don't burp in public. Careful.
What if you cannot hold your breath?
You do it slowly. No sound. Like me.
Pati.
But it's fine. You did not know. But I'm just telling you, if you know that you're going to do it again, don't do it loud. It's not polite to do it in public.
Next time you don't, you just, excuse me, pero nagsabi siya na sorry. Ha? Harap nga nito na ka.
Sinasabi ko na nga, it's fine, pero next time, dapat
Kaya ako nag-stop din, mabubusog rin ako. So, pang kanin
We
yun eh.
burp. No. We burp the bury the mirror. very mindful, very cutesy, very loud.
Ano kain, anak?
Walang ano? Ay,
Where's my party
Baka
cut?
hindi na ba?
hirap naman.
Ay, inumin ng soft drinks.
It's like ketchup.
Dami ko na kain.
Pero naman wild din mo ka.
Ha?
Wild ka rin yung burger. Sobrang din yung order.
Ito kasi hindi ko sa kain. Nag-nito lang ako, dati. Dati, ako yung sa'yo.
Kung alam walang maliit lang to.
Hindi ko alam na malaki yun eh.
Next, now we know that it's
First time lang yan. Alam mama, hindi ganyan na-order eh. Kapag na ako. Ako may ganyan. Ako 200 pesos.
Go Jolly.
450, 225. Bakit hindi
Joke lang, I don't have Jolly.
Hindi mas
Yesterday I have a Jolly. Oh, there.
sa presyo. Hindi mas sa presyo yung
Kala ko ako
sa aming size.
Kala.
Yeah,
Sabi
but
mo,
then
kala ko.
Kala ko,
looks like the camera is like
maliit
going
lang to.
like
Kaya nagdagdag ako ng ano. Kasi kung hindi sana ako nagdagdag ng ano.
like this doing.
Tayo din magliligpit na. For what? Honey.
Sila tayo. Punta kami sa Saigon. May tissue din doon, kuha ka nga doon. Yan, okay ka na, yan mo na.
Yeah.
Sige, finish na, it's slowly
What
lang.
kind of ice tea is that?
Dapat ice tea na lang pala binili mo kay Lib.
No, look at that. Oh, that's not iced tea.
That ice tea.
Before now, we bought a raspberry iced tea, a peach iced tea. I like the peach iced tea. And the, yeah.
Marco, we're gonna send it to Papa.
You want more?
Thank you, babe.
Can I have one?
Ah. Marco, dito, we're gonna send it to Papa. Ubus niya yung ano, takad eh.
You full? You full?
Lagi slowly, very good.
Stop, toothpick. Okay.
Mag-pick din dati.
What are you going to pick? You have no teeth there. Mamaya, when you're full, Caleb, you pick your teeth.
Is didn't eat the tempura.
Don't try the tempura.
I like it. You haven't even tasted yet. It feels weird, like there's something on my teeth. Me too.
You try.
Inside this tooth. And my toothpick. Gonna toothpick.
Be careful.
Ano, durog yung motor. Nabunggo na.
Ano?
Sa ngayon lang. Sa Hermosa.
So this is the one that you use. I feel full. Me too.
Ano yan? Buo pa yung ano mo. Makain mo.
Is it okay, Daddy, that I'm full?
You can get the tray over there, ma'am. Pwede ka kumuha ng tray doon.
Try.
Pero okay lang ito.
Just for takeoff.
Limit mo, lakalaki pa. Oh.
Yeah, meron pa.
Gawin na lang, iwi natin yan. Ask for try.
Magbayad lang tayo.
Kabayaan na lang yun yun. Sama mo ito dyan ba? Ano natin? Kaya mo yung meat.
Look at my teeth is moving, guys. See this? It's this teeth. My teeth is already grand. Look at this. I have 4 teeth missing. 1. I have how many teeth missing? 3. 1,
Eat the meat.
2, 3, 4, 4. Me too. Oh my God, the big red
Excuse me.
button that in between, I'm gonna eat it.
Ah, maganda yung lagaw yan. Nakakita.
Try to drink this without
Lagay niyo
dripping.
dito. Lagay mo yung meat mo dyan, sayang.
Kahit kung ngayon paano yun.
Burp from your nose.
Gusto mo nung kanin ni Ninang? Mamaya.
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, is there a bathroom? I need to go.
You need to, I think over there, yeah.
Kainin na ni Mami to, sayang.
Okay, Jenny's gonna be your attention.
Kala ko kasama din yung ito. Kaya itong size yung kinuha.
Kaya ito na yun.
Yung?
Yung sinabi sa akin nakakanin.
The what?
Bakit mas mura yung maliit?
Meron din.
Very good, hindi lang natira natin.
Ha?
Hindi lang ako natira.
Kaya ba?
Wait, I'm gonna look at the restroom. Wait, guys. Bye.